and welcome back to my channel. So today I have another super duper affordable advent calendar to unbox with you. I got my hands on the Target 12 Days of Beauty advent calendar, and this one comes in at just $19.99, and they do claim it's supposed to have a $49 value. That in mind though, they do also say that all of the items are supposed to be sample deluxe size items though, so we shall see. But still, definitely one of the more affordable advent calendars out there, so I'm excited to see what its contents are. This is supposed to be a personal care, beauty, surprise advent calendar, so it's gonna be a mix of like some makeup, some skincare, and hair care, I think it was. But yeah, anyways, I'm excited to get into it, so let me just remove this little sleeve. I mean, this is exactly how it came. It just had a little plastic outer wrap here. So just like this is how it looks. It's got this nice geometric pattern on here, and it's just got all the doors with the numbers here. Yeah, just looks like a cute little calendar. Let's go ahead and get started with day number 1 up here. We are just gonna go for it. Boop. So our first item here looks like it's a deluxe slash kind of sample item of the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara in the shade Very Black, and here's a little peek at the mascara wand. This is definitely a classic Maybelline mascara, I feel. I mean, it's been around for quite a while now, and although I've tried a lot of different Maybelline mascaras, I've never actually tried the Lash Sensational one. I know, you're thinking like, what? But there's so many mascaras at the drugstore. I just haven't been able to work my way through all of them. But they do say that this one is supposed to be really good. All right, let's go on to day number 2 here, which is right next to number 1. And in this drawer, we have the Cetaphil Extra Gentle Daily Scrub. It's a gentle exfoliator with microfine particles to reveal a radiant looking skin. It's supposed to cleanse without over drying. And then for day number 3, we got it right over here. This time it looks like we got a little pixie here, if I can get it out. What a cute little bottle here. This is the smallest little toner I've ever seen. This is the Pixie Glow Tonic Exfoliating Toner. So you can go in with your exfoliating daily scrub and then top it off with an exfoliating toner. So you start off with using that exfoliating cleanser, and then you go in with your exfoliating toner here. I like the theme that they're sticking with. But this one says it's got 5% glycolic acid. You use it AM and PM, and then that's all about as much as it says on the label here, because it's just so small, they can barely fit anything. But yeah, it's just a regular glow toner. Let's keep it on moving and go for day number 4. Right up in here. So now it looks like we got something by the brand Lumen. It is their Nordic Sea Pure Glow Cleansing Balm. Contains the vitamin C and wild Arctic cloudberry. Now, if that's not the most adorable name ever, I don't know what is. What is a cloudberry? I'm looking it up right now. Popping it on the screen. It's a plant in the rose family. Look at that, we're learning something new. Well, at least maybe I am. I don't know if you guys already knew what a cloudberry was, but I didn't. But we're sticking with a glowing theme here with this one, and it does also say that this one is supposed to help remove even the most stubborn makeup, which sounds pretty good. Okay, on to day number 5. Ooh, which this is actually a pretty big drawer. I keep saying drawer. I've been unboxing too many of those large advent calendars. Door. It's a large door. Let's go for it. Oh, hello! A little Real Technique sponge. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I used to love these sponges. I mean, these have been around for forever. I feel like they were one of the first good, clarify that, good beauty sponges at the drugstore. Yeah, I mean, I used to rave about this sponge. I thought it was the business. I have since found a few other ones that I do enjoy a little bit more at the drugstore. I'm not gonna lie. The Wet n Wild and the e.l.f. sponge now. Those two, I think, are definitely my favorite at the drugstore. I feel like they kind of outbeat the Real Technique here. Just have a little bit more of a, like a squishiness, a softness to the sponge that this one doesn't have, but I mean, it's still a good sponge. On to day number 6 here now. Let's see what we got in here. So we now got the Waterless Rose and Peach Fragrance Mist. This is for your hair. Touch activated scent, tames static. Shake well, and you just spray it all over the hair. It's like perfume for your hair? That is new. That does smell really good. I was gonna say, I don't know, I use a lot of scented products. I kind of get the fragrance for those, but it does smell good. Day number 7 here. Let's do it. What do we have here? This looks like some sort of spray. And it looks like we've hit the hair care portion in the box because now we got even more. This is the Eva NYC Main Magic. It is their 10-in-1 primer with argan oil, sunflower seed oil, 10 benefits, 1 miracle formula. What are the 10 benefits? So it's supposed to detangle, reduce frizz, strengthen, soften, cuts drying time, really, adds shine, nourishes, smooths, and protects against thermal and UV damage. Maybe I'll just, why not? Wow, my hair's got so many different scents going through it right now. But I am all about the hair products. I will always accept. What do you think? Did it add a little bit of shine? Kind of hard to tell, but it does feel really smooth going in. Number 8, let's see what you got in here. Ooh, that one did not want to let go. So now we have the Bliss Mighty Marshmallow Bright and Radiant Face Mask. I'm sorry about the pitch in my voice there. It just read marshmallow and it made me like, oh. So it's a whipped mask. Oh, look at that, it is. Okay, I see why it has the name Whipped Marshmallow because it definitely looks like it's a whipped product. Oh, that looks so fluffy! It's so fluffy, I'm gonna die! I had to touch it, I'm sorry, I had to. I saw the texture and I couldn't resist. Okay, number 9. Got a tiny little tube of something here. This is the La Roche-Posay. It is their B5 face serum with hyaluronic acid. It is an anti-aging face serum, which, okay, that makes sense why the tube is so much smaller compared to the other ones since it's a serum in here. And it's got the hyaluronic acid, vitamin B5, and something called madecassoside. I have no idea what that is or how to pronounce it. I've tried this brand before. Haven't had the best luck, but I haven't tested their serum out, so I'd have to test that one to see how I like it. All right, but back to our calendar here, and we only got 3 items left. We're getting to the end here. So number 10, right down here. Let's see what we got. Oh, that did not look pretty. We got some EOS. Oh, this is actually a pretty decent sized tube. This is the EOS Shea Better Hand Cream. And it does say better, not butter. In the scent Pink Citrus. We've got a little bit of a citrusy fragrance. It's not too much. It's not an overwhelming fragrance, which is really good. It's kind of like a subtle fragrance, which I think is a good choice. I mean, sometimes scents can be so overwhelming with hand creams, but it feels soft. Day number 11, let's do it. What do we got in here? Our 11th item is by Collab. It is their original dry shampoo with their original scent of bergamot and rose. My goodness, am I gonna do this? Yes. I already have 3 different kinds of hair products in my hair, but just a little test. Wow, if you could smell my hair right now, it is an interesting combination. Would not recommend using all 3 scents. And now our last day, number 12. Oh no. I wanted that to look so much prettier. And so for our last item, we got something by Soap & Glory. It is their One Heck of a Blot Primer. Okay, which this sounds like a dream to me. It says it's supposed to help absorb the oil and control shine all day. I'm sold. Get this on my face right now. I got a very oily complexion and need it. But that was our very last item in our 12-day beauty calendar here. And although it did say that this was supposed to be an all sample size box, we did get one full-size item, and that was the Real Techniques sponge here. I mean, technically they could have given us a mini one, you know, one of those little tiny blenders for really small areas, but they gave us full size. But everything else was these samply kind of deluxe size items, which in all honesty, I mean, I have to say that I think this was a really good little box. I think it had a really nice variation, really well-rounded. It had some beauty, it had some hair care, it had some skincare, masks. I mean, it wasn't all the same stuff. It was a lot of variation, which I think makes a calendar like this a little bit more exciting instead of it all just being like the same boom, 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 one after the other. And I mean, it's only 20 bucks, so I think it's definitely worth it for the price. Let me know down below if you guys are thinking of grabbing it. If you liked today's video, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little bell button. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.